Kung ikaw ay lovely couple na naghahanap ng venue para sa iyong wedding day, this place is for you. Welcome to Aquila Crystal Palace, one of the best venue in Tagaytay. Dika, samahan niyo ako. Napakagandang tingnan if you are a bride and you are using this lovely bridge for your aisle. Yan. Napakaganda ng garden. As you can see, very peaceful yung ating falls. As you walk down the aisle, as you can see also the gold and white statue, which is an European inspired, so it's really nice. You can have your ceremony there, or at the they also have a ceremony venue here, and you can set your ceremony here as well as a garden venue. So this is their ceremony venue. Kung gusto mo ng indoor, look at the design. Look at this. If you want an indoor ceremony, then you can have this at the Aquila Crystal Palace. Diba? So ganda. Sobrang whimsical, sobrang classical, sobrang wonderful. Right? As you can see the ceiling there, upstairs. Crystal chairs. So this is how your ceremony will look like inside, and this is fully air conditioned. So only here at Aquila Crystal Palace. And you know what, guys? Sobrang nakaka-at home dito. Kasi hindi lang sobrang ganda ng lugar, maging yung mga staff and even the owner itself of this place, sobrang humble. Kaya talagang napaka, you know, if you are looking for a place for your wedding, this is the best place in Tagaytay, Aquila Crystal Palace. Let's see the view of the reception area. So this is the pathway going to the reception area. So the reception area consists of 150 to 180 capacity, or to 200 if I'm not mistaken. And look at the entrance panel. Grabe. So all white and flowery. So this is the entrance tower. This is the actual view of the reception area. You have here the VIP crystal table. With this table sleeping, you have there the cake stand, the lights, and you will place also some of the guest table around. This is also fully air conditioned. You have the LED wall there and the stage. Ayan. And this is very, very complete for your wedding. As you can see, they have also the ceiling treatment, fully air conditioned, with a sound system, light and sounds. Maraming inclusions dun sa package nila, guys, na parang, alam mo yun, hassle-free ka na in selecting their suppliers. They also have accredited suppliers for you to choose. At sobrang at home. Yan, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Sobrang at home dito at Aquila. Lahat ng staff, everybody, is talagang wala akong masabi. Yan. So if you're looking for a venue here in Tagaytay, look no further, Aquila Crystal Palace.